Greetings to all you nature aficionados. Today, we will not leave you empty-handed. A lovely, yet mysterious bird has chosen this peaceful tree to rest, and we, lucky ones, have to catch this serene moment in time. This feathered friend definitely deserves closer examination. What is so intriguing about this bird? Its stance and the way it blends in with the surroundings. Is it a possible foreign presence or merely the very local familiar? Let us take a good look and enjoy this moment of stillness together. The avian world is full of marvels, each species boasting very distinct beauty and behavior. Although we currently got unsure on which bird this is, the world does have a way of keeping its guises. These kind of times just stop you and make you think. Pretty amazing, aren't they? Be it the sound of the wind or the soft rustle of leaves, this bird is so well into its environment. These are amazing moments that would stop one and certainly reflect. Moments indeed. Be it the sound of the wind or the soft rustling of leaves, it is harmony in perfect measure with this bird.